got a column, got some junk in it. I need to get me junk out the column. Alright, lads and lasses, welcome along. Weekend work, yeah? It's time for you to get some homework, pick up a task that you can do over the weekend, and really see how you can get on, right? Now, one of the things we went through and we looked at last week was the old fish data. As we said last week, right? I've got my column, I've built it, I've done me pivoting, done me unpivot, sorry, and I've now got a nice column of months, right? And I've got a column of stuff, right? And the column of stuff is kind of the problem, right? So first off, I've got some hyphens that I need to get rid of, yeah? And if we have a look at that, we can see kind of what's there, right? In terms of, it ain't just numbers in it, is it? So we've got like stars and star and even like a hashtag in there. So there's all these little bits and pieces that we're going to have to get rid of, right? So how can we get rid of them quickly and easily? So the first thing we can do is we can do a filter even just to remove the worst of the values that we've got, yeah? So like the hyphens. So if we pick the drop down for it, we can go along and we can find the two that we can see that are full columns themselves. So there's like a little star there and a hyphen. So I can do that, say, right, let's get rid of them two. Click OK. Done, right? But I can say, right, well, I want to make this numbers now. So I hit that, make it whole numbers, and it shows errors, right? It's not happy. So I've kind of, what can I do with that, right? Now, this is something that you're going to come across an awful lot of the time. The easiest thing, and I thought long and hard about introducing this to you now, right? But the easiest thing is to have a nice function to do it, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to write a function from scratch. All you need to do is copy the code that's going to be in the description down below into a new blank query. Here is the code. Okay, so I'm going to copy this, right click, copy. Okay, I'm going to go in here, go new query, blank query. And then here, right click on it, and I'm going to do advanced editor. Okay, so we've now got a nice blank window that I can paste my text into. Okay, just copied everything. I'm going to control V it, or you could have right clicked and pasted it, but control V, right, to paste. Okay, I've now created a function, and I would recommend, right, as you go forward with Power BI and as you do more and more, why don't you start a notebook in your OneNote where you just put functions in, especially functions or anything else that you're seeing from these videos. So if I give you, hey, really useful tip, you might want to put it in your OneNote. All right, so we're cooking on gas now, aren't we? We've got the function written and we're ready to start using it to fix this column, right? To fix whatever it is we've got, okay? The only issue we've got left, outstanding issue, right, is the function, and it's to do with the way M works, okay? So the function is expecting text. And what we're going to hand it at the minute is a number that won't like it, right? If we just deleted the change type, right, so it doesn't have a type, unfortunately then we're handing it this, like in SQL terms, it would be an nvarchar, which is different to a varchar or a char, right? So basically this is kind of like an anything option. I'm not sure, an undefined, right, which isn't text. So what we need to do is make it text. Make it text. So on the drop down, we just pick text. And it goes to ABC. It's text, right? So now what we can do is we can go into our add columns and choose to invoke a custom function. Right? I'm going to call this column that's going to be created temp, because we've got to run it twice, haven't we? Because we've got to get rid of hashtags and then stars. Okay, so we're going to get rid of hashtags first. Okay, so the query that we're going to use is GI replace. We're going to use this column and we're going to put in hashtag. Okay, and it's going to be a value. So we're going to click OK. And you might not notice there's anything gone there, right? And the last one we'll do, because we're going to do this again, but remember first we have to tell it this is text. And then we're going to go and invoke the custom function again. Same time, this is going to be our fish, isn't it? What is it? Fish. It's counter fish. How many fish have we got? Temp this time, and this time we're going to get rid of stars, wasn't it? Was it stars? I've got a feeling it was stars. Click OK. We'll find out in a minute. I've got me fish. So all I need to do now is say, right, fish, this is a whole number. It's worked, right? And if we went to value and made value a whole number now, so we can see there's errors. If we were to try and do something silly, like, I don't know, sort it descending as a whole number, you see, no, it's not going to work, right? So that causes problems. What we've done here is we've removed all those issues. So we now can sort descending. We can see here, row 12, where we've got an error with the numbers because there's stars in it, right? So having that function, being able to just run it a couple of times, right, and fix your data goes a long way. And just being able to copy and paste those in and building up a library as you go forward with your Power BI work will go a long, long way. I hope you're going to give it a try. Everything will be down in the description below. Make sure you download the function, put it somewhere safe. As I say, keep that library growing and make sure that you're putting in notes about your Power BI development as you go, and keep practicing. That's the most important thing, right? I want you to become comfortable with the ideas of going up and down through the steps and your applied steps and being prepared to go in and just remove them to test and see, is this what the issue is? And watching and seeing, making sure that fixes it or not, or doesn't fix it. And if it doesn't fix it, you know how to reinstate it. And we'll catch up next week. Ciao.